You know, I'm always amazed at how stupid and smart people can be at the same time. Like, people will tell you that something is impossible, and their evidence is a set of instructions of exactly how to do it. Let me give you an example. You can say to someone, yeah, you know, I think I want to build a fiberglass kayak. And they'll tell you, no, you can't do that. You got to go to the store and buy those. Leave it to the professional. Hey, you can't do that. I think I can do it. I think I want to do it. Yeah, I think I want to do it. Nah. I mean, to do that, you'd have to first build a wood blank of the kayak you want, get it nice and sanded smooth, cover that with wax, and then get some fiberglass, coat the bottom to make a mold of the bottom, get that off, then coat the top with fiberglass, pull that off, and then you have a mold for a kayak, and then you gotta wax that and make sure it's nice and smooth, and then you gotta put fiberglass into the mold and make a top and a bottom, pop those out, and you have to sand the edges and trim the edges and get all the wax off and clean it up and then sand it and then paint it, and then you have to attach the top piece to the bottom piece with either rivets or marine adhesive or some more fiberglass. I mean, you got a few options there, but you know, when you put it all together, you'd have the kayak exactly the way you want. It's impossible. You can't do it. It's totally impossible. And meanwhile, I'm just sitting there like, okay, let's see, wood blank, okay, wax thing. Okay, this wood blank for the kayak. How do I build that? What are you talking about? You can't make that. That's impossible. I mean, to make the wood blank for the kayak, you would need 2 sheets of plywood, one 2x4, 12 feet long. You'd have to cut the sheets of plywood into these shapes. Let me draw you a schematic.